Today, I'm going to make Japanese custard pudding. Pudding is originally from England, but Japanese people have been loving it for centuries. They arranged the recipe to meet their own need. Japanese pudding features its perfect balance of custard cream and caramel sauce. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook it easily with a microwave. First of all, choosing the right container is important. I recommend a short and wide mug or container. I got this microwave-safe container at Target for only a few dollars. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of water. Put it in the microwave. Look inside the microwave carefully, and when you see smoke coming from the container, take it out immediately. Add 1 teaspoon of water. Measure 120 milliliters of milk. Crack an egg in a bowl and stir lightly. Add milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well. Try not to foam up. If you have vanilla essence, add it here. Strain the mixture through a strainer. Strain the mixture again and put it in the container. Put it in the microwave. Look inside the microwave carefully, and as soon as the pudding liquid appears to rise up, remove it from the microwave. This time, I used sugar substitute for the mixture and heated 1 minute, but the center part is still liquid, so I put it back to the microwave for 20 more seconds. This time, 90% of the surface is cooked. This looks perfect. Wrap the whole container with aluminum foil. Leave it in room temperature for 30 minutes to 1 hour to let the residual heat to cook the rest. The whole surface looks cooked. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. The pudding looks ready. Look at the beautiful pudding. It's so smooth and creamy that you can't believe it's cooked with a microwave. Enjoy!